Hey guys, my name is David Delagardelle. I'm the owner and operator of Cedar Lore Forge. So today I want to show you guys how to safely take your 16-ton or 25-ton Coal Iron Works press off of the pallet that it's been delivered on and put the casters on it so that you can safely wheel it about your workshop. These are beautifully built machines, but they are very tall and can be very top heavy. So take your time. I'm going to go through each step in a lot of detail so that you do this well and don't run into any issues.
So here's everything that you will need to safely take your press off of the pallet. First up is either a manual wrench or an electric ratchet like this one from Milwaukee that we've got a few of these laying around the shop. And specifically, you will need a 9/16 bolt head attachment. Second up, you will need some form of a crowbar, and the specific style does not really matter as long as it's long enough to get enough leverage safely under those corners to inch it forward. And last but not least, you will find a box of all the remaining materials attached to the pallet, and inside of it you'll find the 4 casters ready to go, and then 16 of these 9/16 sized bolts, and you will find them in your box in a Ziploc bag. So to explain in the most simple of terms what we will be doing here, this being the pallet and this being the press, we're going to use the crowbar, go on this side, and incrementally move it forward until this corner is sticking out enough for us to put on the first caster. I'm going to push out this edge with the crowbar. Second caster is on. Third one, we're going to push over here. Third one is on, and the last caster is the most tricky because it has to move all the way to the edge, but just be on it enough to support it so we can get the last caster right on that edge. And there you have it. So if you do not own a forklift or an overhead crane, as most people don't, then I hope this video was informative and helpful for those of you who will purchase a press or have purchased one and want to take it off the pallet safely and get to work as swiftly as possible. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please feel free and email us anytime at service@coaliron.com. Either myself or Andy or Nate, we will get back to you as swiftly as possible and help you get to work with your new either 12-ton, 16-ton, 16 plus, or 25-ton press. All right, happy forging, guys. Enjoy, take care, and stay safe.